Third grade Eagles, I hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to look inside of The Way to Convergent Thinking purple packet. We are just going to take a little bit of time to look at the back page, Perplexing Patterns 1, and if we flip it, Perplexing Patterns 2. So let's go ahead and get started. Make sure you have your packet and something to write with. Let's get started. All right. So I'm going to flip to that back page. It says Perplexing Patterns. So what we see here are a series of shapes or figures, and we are trying to figure out what goes in the blank. What goes in the blank? So to help us out to get started, I went ahead and I recreated this image right here, this shape, this figure. So it looks like this is how it starts. Then it rotates clockwise. Then we don't know, but somehow it ended up this way. And finally, it went clockwise again to the top. So what would go in this spot right here? Remember, we start like this, then we go like this. So I guess what would make the most sense would be if it went clockwise one more time. Boom. That is what goes in the missing spot right here. So let's see which one matches that. A, no. B, definitely not. C, ding, 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 there's our winner, right? So I'm going to write the letter C right here in that spot. You don't have to redraw it. You can if you want, but you can just put the letter. You could also circle it. We have lots of options. So that's how we work on these perplexing patterns. We look at the figures and try to figure out what is the pattern to then discover what goes in the missing blank. Let's do one more together. How about number 4? Let's jump down to number 4 and do number 4 together. Here we have 2 diamonds. One is filled in like this, and one is empty or white like this. So they start off like this right here. Here they are. Now it looks like on the next figure, the white one crosses over the black one just a little bit, like that. Then looks like the white one goes over top of it more. Then the white one goes on top of it completely. So that's what happened there. Something happens, we don't know what, but the last figure shows this. So we have to use our brains, our convergent thinking skills, to figure out how did we go from this to this. So let's start all over. Here are our 2 diamond shapes. They start like this. Then the white one slowly overlaps and slowly overlaps and then completely overlaps. But then somehow it ends up like this. So what goes between here and here? Well, I think it's probably with the white diamond just a little bit over the black one, right? Kind of like this. So let's find the figure that matches this. Well, it's definitely not A. We know that it's not the black triangle completely on top. And so I'm going to cross that off. We know it can't be C because they're not right next to each other. So let's cross off C. That leaves us with B and D. Well, we know that the white diamond has to be on the left side. That means our answer must be B. B. So there you go. So again, you have to imagine these shapes moving and twisting around and to find the pattern to see what comes next or what goes in the blank. These are the same types of challenges you'll find on the back page. Some of these have many patterns going on at once. For number 1, there's a triangle involved. Then there's a triangle inside the triangle involved. And then you have these rectangles here rotating around. So some of these get more complex, which means that we are going to grow our brains trying to figure these out. So good luck, everyone. Reach out if you need any help. Bye.